introduce you to the new Haida hose. It's a hose retracted into your wall, hooked up to your central vacuum. You pull out the amount that you need. These hoses range from 30 foot up to 60 foot. Simply pull it out. Lock it into place. Put your attachment on. Vacuum, carpet, upholstery, floor to ceiling. And the beauty of this thing is, when you're through vacuuming, release it, put your hand at the end of it, and you are done. What's really exciting is that this past year, Tacony has made a new piece to give you the ultimate deep cleaning with your Haida hose central vacuum system. What this component does has a motor, a brush roll, and a fan where it creates its own airflow as an independent vacuum. This gives you tandem vacuum power. One vacuum here on the floor, plus your powerful central vacuum. Working together in conjunction will make your carpets last a very long time and keep them beautiful. Simply flip the switch on, it's battery operated. Lean it back, vacuum. It glides effortlessly on even the thickest carpet. Whenever you're through, shut it off. And you can also remove this and go to your bare floor cleaning, upholstery cleaning, any other floor to ceiling cleaning. But this is the recommended piece. If you have carpets with a Haida hose, you need the Volt. Now it's time to introduce Wally to you. Extension hose, put in utility rooms, mud rooms. Have mine like utility room. Have it clean the towel central vacuum. Nice and easy. We still offer the conventional central vacuum installation, 110 power, hooked up to the super valve. Where I can control turning on the unit, airflow, or to cut on the power brush. This particular model has the dirt sensor on it. Green light when it's clean. Red light if it senses up some dirt. Just stay on top of it to make sure that you get all the dirt removed from your carpet.